Who was Bryan Miller? Bryan was an amazing colleague and an amazing mentor for me when I was a young faculty member. He joined the department at a transitional time when the faculty of the old guard from Berkeley were turning the department over to a new group of Davis-based individuals who felt that the main responsibilities of a faculty member, namely teaching, service, and research, were really closely intertwined into the general goal of education.
Bryan was a teacher, not just a professor. So he took time to really guide people, teach people, and it was not just chemistry. And more so than the impact in generalities on the department or on campus, I think his impact on individuals is and was very significant.
When he joined the department and started his career in synthetic organic chemistry, he was part of a new cohort of synthetic organic chemists who were working to optimize the kinds of molecules that nature made into molecules that could be useful for medicinal purposes. When Bryan passed away, a number of us felt that there was a legacy that needed to be further explored and communicated to the wider scientific community.
The Miller Symposium first arose out of kind of a collective shock and grief, I would say, which was, we were like, what are we going to do to honor his legacy?
It is a symposium that transcends the academic and the industrial world, bridging the two worlds in the area of pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and all associated scientific fields.
By bringing together undergraduates, graduate students, faculty members, researchers from all around the world, it provides a situation where people can consult with one another, can interact, can create scientific and social connections, and promote the advancement of science in a much broader sense.
The symposium gathers people from both academia and industry who are leaders in their respective scientific fields, but it also brings together opportunities for UC Davis students. So for me, it was actually the first time that I had ever presented my PhD research was a poster at the Miller Symposium. And so it really can help people kind of break into that by providing this really unique opportunity right on campus.
I really have to give kudos and gratitude to all the faculty and the department that has continued over the years to support it. Part of me doesn't believe 25 years have gone by, because it has been such an amazing journey to come here to the 25th anniversary and see that the symposium continues to be relevant, continues to be of value, and speakers. I mean, if you look at the line of speakers we have for this symposium, your jaw would drop as to the scientific firepower we have.
I think my dad would be very gratified at the idea of bringing colleagues together, because he was very much about that, bringing people together and sharing ideas, sharing values. You would hear his native Texan, aw shucks,